Hey guys, good evening. Am I audible to you? Come on, everyone, quickly respond. How is audio? Hello? Very good, very good. Last session. Yes, guys, I'm here. 1 minute. Yes, guys. In the last session, we did cascading style sheet related things, correct? Cascading style. Style sheets. Third one is the style sheets. What is inline styles? What is the meaning of internal style sheet? Audio is here. Audio sometimes disturbing. Yeah, sometimes disturbing. Yeah. Inline style, internal style sheet, external style sheet. Inline means what? Already I spoke to you inline. Do you remember inline means? It is exclusively for a specific line. It is exclusively for a specific line. That is inline. Right. Now I'm showing here, for example, observe here. There are different tags available. Here different selectors available. But in this body, how many affecting? Only italics affecting. Remaining all are not affecting. Observe here. Only italics affected. Only italics affected. Right, come down. Inline level I'm showing to you. For example, I'm writing style is equal to color red. Observe now. Now not red, green I'm giving. So which one affected you can see? Now font size. I'm giving font size 40 pixels. Yes. Where it is affected, can you check it now? Only div affected means it is inline. It is affected to a particular line. It is affected to a particular line. It is affected to a particular line. These are called inline styles. Are you clear inline? Am I clear inline? I and I, these are called internal style sheets. Internal style sheets. Observe now. Internal style sheets. So total, how many types of style sheets are there? 3 types of style sheets. How many you are clear? You can check it. Inline clear, internal clear, internal. Now I'm changing this one to, for example, paragraph. Sorry, paragraph. I made color blue. I made color blue. I said font size 40 pixels. Observe everyone. Right. Any number of times that paragraph you can use, no problem. Any number of times that paragraph you can use, no problem. So these all are nothing but inline and internal. So third category available, external style sheets. Shall I go to external style sheets? Inline and internal both are clear, everybody? Inline and internal clear. Inline applicable to a specific line. Internal means we are declaring in the head level. Sayed. Vinay Kumar. What happened? Example in front of you. Example in front of you. Right. Uh, Now first I'm going to provide you. Leave it, everything I'm removing here. Here also everything I'm removing. Okay. So nothing output available here. For example, I'm creating one paragraph. Welcome to inline style size set. Is it any style applicable here? Applicable? No. If I am writing style is equal to color red. Okay, style is equal to color red. Is it applicable now? Yes. So we are writing. Now you can see. For example, I said device set. Now I made color yellow, I said. Now I made, for example, tip. It is inline or not internal styles. Observe now. Now, any number of times you can write this, it will affect. But you can write a paragraph here. Hello, welcome to CSS coding. Second paragraph not affected. Why not affected second paragraph? You can tell me. Inline. You wrote here only inline. Again, you want once again you need to write. Style is equal to. Are you getting remaining members? What is the difference between this one? Every line level you need to write. But internally is not like that. Am I clear at least now? Inline and other things. Who asked me one more time? But we can write a p style tag. It will affect, but every time you need to write Bharadwaj. But div is not like that. Every time no need to write. Yes, Sri Dhanashri, correct. Now I'm going to external style sheets. Individual also we can write. So total how many types of style sheets available? You want this code? 3 types. How many you are clear? Inline and internal style sheets you are clear. Inline and internal style sheets you are clear. Right, very good. Now entering external style sheets level, 2 steps available. How many steps existed external style sheets level? 2 steps existed. What is the step 1? Preparing required CSS. Step 2, preparing required HTML. Preparing required HTML. So first step 1 I am doing. Already created, I think CSS file is there or not. We'll try to check it. This much CSS file doesn't require. Simple one I'll show you. Hello.cs. Okay, leave it. Simple CSS file I'm showing. Very easy one and simple one. CSS file I'm creating. CSS file level, what I'm writing, H1. Observe correctly only. Color I said green. Font size 30 pixels. Font family, the home. So save with what extension? Save with what extension? .css extension. CSS executable, non-executable? CSS executable, non-executable? Non-executable. So you want to execute this, go to HTML file. Then what we need to do? Remove this. First we need to add that. What that one? Link tag. href is equal to what that one? Hello.css. Then relation equal to what we need to say? Style sheet. Then what I need to write inside the body? That is which one? CSS level H1. Shall I write H1? Welcome to external style sheets, where CSS properties existed in CSS file. Save and check it now. Welcome to external style sheets. But go to hello.css. What about the colors and other things here? Get it correctly. What about colors and other things? Kit.css, I'll give otherwise. Applied or not applied now? Green color. Font size, I'm giving 50 pixels. Applying. Come on. Font size 5 pixels. Right. So how many steps available here? How many steps available? 2 steps available. First step, what we need to create? First step, what we need to create? We need to create CSS file. Observe everybody. What is my CSS file name? What is my CSS file name? In hello.css, any tag existed? In hello.css, any tag existed? Right, everyone. Any more questions? Right. Now, this CSS file directly can we execute? CSS file directly can we execute? No. Then what we need to create? HTML file we need to create. So I linked that CSS file. Observe everybody correctly. Link tag, href, CSS file name, relation. That implementation I did in this body. So this is affecting here. From here, it is coming here. Observe the relation. Clear at least my picture? At least clear remaining members. 3 types of style sheets. So what kind of attachment you are giving? CSS file means style sheet, no? Its type is, and relation also style sheet type. In icon level relation, what you provided? In icon level relation, what you provided? Madhav. Fav icon level relation, icon you provided. Style sheet level, you are giving style sheet. JavaScript level, JS we are providing. Whatever relation you are giving, that relation. Got it? Compulsory, we need to include Samir. Otherwise, critical. Head code over all the things. Right. External style should explain once again. Already 2 times explained, my dear. Still, some people are asking me doubts. So once again, I'm going to explain that 2 steps you need to create. First, CSS you can create. Next, HTML you can create. CSS file you can link to HTML file. That's it. Link tag only you people are getting confused. You know that? Link tag only you are getting confused. Remaining all are easy. So because CSS file you want to link means link tag you need to use. CSS file you want to link means link tag we need to use. That's it. Welcome to external style sheets. Right, inline internal. Once again, I'm creating now. Once again, I'm creating. Now, hello.css having any CSS code? Hello.css having any CSS code? No. Now, if you are going to run HTML file, will it be affected anything? No. Right. Go to here and say H1. Okay, you can say now color, for example, red. Will it be affected now? Will it be affected now? Come on. Where you modified now color? In HTML level, in CSS level? This is only external CSS. CSS level you modified. All HTML files getting effect is called external CSS. At least now you understood. Again, go to CSS file. Modify now. For example, I'm giving font size 100 pixels. Where you modified? CSS level. Where it is affecting? Where it is affecting? HTML. Understood now, everyone? Very good. Very good. Now 10 I said. Right. Total how many types of style sheets? What are the 3 types? Very good. Inline, internal, external. Clear? Shall I go to next level? Selectors. Right. Selector. Generally in programming languages, functions available. Anybody you heard the name functions? Function means what generally? Right. Now, what is the meaning of selector? Same function. In programming languages level, what function doing? Same thing here also. Same thing here also. What is that one? Selector means styles reusability. There are different types of selectors existed. There are different types of selectors existed. Tag selectors or type selectors, ID selectors, class selectors, grouping selectors, customized selectors, etc. First, we can see tag or type selectors. Tag or type selectors. Already number of examples we did, tag or type level. Do you remember? A type selector matches the name of a document language element type. A type selector matches every instance of the element type in the document tree. Understand perfectly that. Understand, a type selector matches the name of a document language element type. A type selector matches every instance of the element type in the document tree. Syntax. So now I'm showing tag selectors or type selectors. Come down here. Now style inside I'm using, for example, right now one tag. Tag name is, for example, I. So I said color blue. That's it, simple. Now I'm giving I italic tag. It is tag selectors or type selectors we are calling. It is tag selectors or type selectors we are calling. Leave it this one. We don't have any relation with external style sheet. I removed already. Message available like this. Okay. Welcome to what that one? Message also can remove. Tag selectors. Observing. Don't depend on message. Okay. Welcome to tag selectors we are calling as type selectors. Tag selectors we are calling as type selectors. Am I clear, everyone? Come on, tag selectors are nothing but HTML tags. Any HTML tag you can use, no problem. Any HTML tag you can use, no problem. Right. I'm coming to the next one. Can we, for example, I'm writing B. I said color red. B is not affecting now because you didn't write anything. Now I'm giving B. So in between I'm giving even break also. Yes. Any tag we can use, no problem. Tag selectors. Any number of tags. Now how many selectors are there here? Any tag you can use. Div also tag. Two selectors available. Div also tag, use color green. Use, no problem. Then again you can use div. Welcome to tag or type selectors. Understanding remaining members? Very good. Nice. Now tag selectors over. Next one, what available here? ID and class selectors. Mm, ID and class selectors. We should not write like that, Bhardwaj. That kind of development not recommended. You want to use CSS level, I'll show you how to use inside, okay? Right, anybody you heard the name class and ID selectors? What is class selector? What is ID selector? What is class selector? What is ID selector? Very good. Now this class and ID selector level, one point we people need to understand. Right, very good. ID selector, how to represent, you know, by using what notation ID selector? What notation ID selector, everyone? Pound notation or hash notation we are calling. Pound notation or hash notation we are calling. That is ID select. It is the notation or symbol. Come on, hash notation level things we can observe. We need to get the things here one by one. What are the things we need to actually understand here? ID. ID must not be duplicate. ID must not be duplicate. Class can be duplicate. Observe here two syntaxes I provided. Syntax 1 and syntax 2. Both syntaxes example we can see. Both syntaxes example we can see. So definition and a notation syntax is clear for you. Come on. Notations clear. Explanation clear. Right. Now I'm coming back to here. I'm removing. Only one div tag existed here. I'm removing remaining also. Now div tag explanation I'm doing clearly observe. Now div is what kind of selector? Type selector, tag selector. If I'm starting with hash, come on, if I'm starting with hash, it is what selector? ID selector. It is ID selector. Correct. It is ID selector. Now it is not affecting. It is not affecting. Even you can give font size, observe. Font size 40 pixels, observe. Not affecting. Affecting, not affected. Why? This is ID selector. So this is ID selector. This is tag selector. Come on. This is tag selector. That is ID selector. There is no relation. In that situation, what we need to write? Come on. ID is equal to device. ID is equal to div. Some supporting tag also can provide. Now it will be affected. It will be affected. What selectors is one? Come on. What selectors all these are? ID select. If you are removing hash, will it be affected now? No. If you are adding hash, it will be affected. My voice is disturbance. My voice disturbance, what, my dear? Impossible, my voice disturbance. My voice is very clear. Dolby digital sound, my voice, my dears. One member saying your voice is disturbance. Please give emojis to your friend. Come on, who said disturbance? That is a consistent speed. Right. No chance to disturbance. Session is smoothly running. All the resources smoothly I am giving. Right. Div tag level, I am creating another one. Now I am creating paragraph. I made, for example, color red. Font size, this is 20 pixels. This is 30 pixels. Now I'm coming to paragraph. ID is equal to P, I said. Some bold tag I'm giving. No problem. Observe both affected or not. Are you following me? Correctly, you can try to follow the things. Right, very good. Code observe. 1 minute. Come on, line number 20 what? Anything you can provide, no problem. Only ID important here. Anything you can provide supporting tags. Only ID important. Anything you can provide. Also div you can provide. There is no issue. But ID correctly you given or not, you can check it. Can we duplicate ID selectors? Can we duplicate ID selectors? No, no, we cannot duplicate ID selectors. Try to understand. ID always representing hash. ID always representing hash means must not be duplicate. Must not be duplicates. Right. No, ID means ID only. That is, we are calling hash. That's it. ID must not be duplicate. I'll show you what is the use of ID. ID must not be duplicate. Already I said JavaScript level, we can see more effectively ID. Syed. But use of ID is always unique. That point you need to remember. For example, this is also div, that is also div, my dear. How many ID selectors available with the same name? 2 available. So if I'm going to run, what happened? Both are affecting with which one? First one or second one? Both are affecting with first one or second one. This is the problem. If ID selectors are duplicated, what is the problem? Second will be affected. Second will be affected. Right. Anything, any name. Vandana, any name. So ID must not be duplicated. Please remember these words, everybody. Come down. I'm going to class selector. Actually, JavaScript level example I'm giving, possibility is there, you can practice. Otherwise, leave it, because JavaScript level DOM concept I need to discuss. DOM means document object model. Right. Now we are entering into the next level, class selector. What is class selector? Can we duplicate class selector? Can we duplicate class selector? Yes, we can duplicate. Class selector always indicates with which symbol? Class selector always indicates with which symbol? Hash notation. Sorry, dot notation. It is indicating with dot notation. It is indicating with dot notation. It is indicating with dot notation. Right, come down here. Here, how many ID selectors, how many class selectors? Right, now you need to write a class is equal to div. Then write class selectors. Understood? Doesn't required anything, you can write, no problem. Here I'm going to dot I said. Here also dot I said. Now I made class is equal to P. Then I'm giving class selectors. Yes, both affected. Now I want to duplicate this. Yes, you can duplicate. No problem. I made paragraph and duplicate. Is it working perfectly? Come on, everyone. Right. Code, please. Observe everybody code. Concentrate code. Anywhere you can create, no problem, Syed. At least now you people are getting class and ID selectors meaning. For example, here also same properties. Here also same properties. Observe correctly. Both are same properties. Correct or not? Any properties different? Both are same properties. Observe. Refresh. So here no need to write comma. Directly can write P, my dear. Comma and directly can write P, my dear. Then remove this. Remove this. Time waste. These are called grouping selectors. This kind of development, what we are calling grouping selectors. When grouping selectors we are writing, all properties must be same. All properties must be same implicitly. Clear, or shall I show once again grouping selectors? Come on, remaining. Once more. Observe here what I'm giving. So div level, paragraph level, all properties are equal or different? Equal or different? Right. Equal means in that situation, simply what we need to write? Observe, you need to write like this. Understood? Understood, everyone? Equality is there, you can write like this. Ajay, got the clarity? Right. So check it, types of selectors. Customized selectors, last one. What is the customized selectors? I'm writing, Raju sir. I'm giving, for example, correctly understand, guys. Right, I closed. Now it is executing or not executing, and tell me. Welcome to customized command selectors. Executing or not executing? These are customized selectors. I'm giving, for example, 40 pixels. I said red. I said red. Okay. What is the difference between customize and type? Type is predefined, no, my dear. Madhav, type is predefined. Already available HTML tags. Customized means any name you can use, no problem. Got the point here, everybody? Got the point, everybody here? Right. So I'm giving all these tutorials. Practice. Tomorrow I'm not taking session. Tomorrow completely you can practice, guys. Today whatever I provided. Tomorrow workshop is there. Everybody knows no tomorrow workshop? Tomorrow no session for us. HTML no session is there. Directly Monday. Tomorrow full concentration on machine learning environment. I don't know how many you heard about that. CSS selectors. Right. Right, I'm giving next week, Saturday doubt session. Next Saturday I'll conduct, don't worry. Manikanta. Some weekends, webinars and workshops available. I'm giving CSS HTML video is there, Syed. Please try to watch my video from Naresh IT channel. Don't worry. All my videos available. All my videos available. Try to watch. Next class on Monday. Introduction to CSS and CSS selectors also. Right, guys. Any more questions? Please ping here. Join. It is not workshop, webinar. I'm giving how to study machine learning, what are the future salaries, what is machine learning, how it is helping, what is the relation between Python, machine learning, deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence, like this, lot of words I'm going to discuss with you. Right? Yes, happily you can. Happily you can attend, no doubt. If you are free, you can attend. Is there in the website, Ajay, nareshit.com. Come on. Yes, happily you can leave. Any doubt, please ping here. Happily you can leave. Thank you. Bye. Catch you on Monday, everybody. Directly, we are meeting on Monday. Yes, you can try to practice and you'll get all the things. Saurabh. Shall I log out the things here?